Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Keidrick. The goal for this particular channel is I'm in the process of learning all things AWS. So I decided why not document the journey and help those along the way that may be new to the AWS ecosystem, or they've been working on the ecosystem and there's just some things they may not know. So my plan is to, I'm currently taking a Cloud Guru course. I've already taken a Pluralsight course. The A Cloud Guru course that I took was just a very fundamental, I believe it was the Cloud Practitioner course. So this is a good course as far as getting a intro to AWS. But if you work in a more of a technical capacity, you probably want to dive a little bit deeper, which is when the solution architect comes up. Or there are several other specialties that you could dive into, but the one I'm primarily interested in is I believe it's the SACOO2 course. So this is a solution architect administrator. I'm sorry, associate. I had to check my notes. So the SAA-CO2 is Certified Solutions Architect Associate, and that's what I'm striving to get the certification for. So I'm currently taking the course on A Cloud Guru. So this is a paid service. I think it's maybe $40 a month, and you have access to their whole video library. So what I wanted to do was take the information that I learned on their platform and then record my own videos, for one, as a source or a reference that I can go back and review once I get ready to start studying for the exam, or to sit for the exam, more or less. And then two, to be able to share the same level of information but in smaller doses. If you've taken any of the A Cloud Guru courses, the content is phenomenal. Have nothing bad to say about any of the instructor-led courses. It's just a lot of information. So what I wanted to do was, break that down, make it a little bit more palatable, especially for someone that doesn't come from a technical background. So this may be their second career and they decided to go to AWS route because, hey, they know so much about it. They may be an investor in a stock. They just know Amazon. Who doesn't know Amazon? And then one other thing is, it's the biggest cloud provider in the space as of today's recording. So, obviously that's subject to change, but they just offer so many services, and through my brief experience just learning a little bit about all of them, they all kind of offer the same type of a service. It's just, it may be a different nomenclature, and it may be a different way that you have to set it up, but the underlying services are typically the same. By no means am I an expert on the cloud. I'll state that, but I'm looking to become one. So I've done quite a bit of research. One other thing that I wanted to do with this channel is three things. Or should I say the focus of the channel is to learn, to grow, and to share. So the learning aspect comes from me taking the information that I've learned on that platform and then going in and recreating it and just kind of putting my own spin on it. But like I said, making it a little bit more palatable. The second thing is to grow. So that's just not so much in the aspect of growing the channel, but growing the reach that the channel has. And along the way, I anticipate I will learn more and grow in the AWS/cloud community. So that's the second thing I'm looking to accomplish. And then finally, the third thing is I want to be able to share what I've learned along the way to others that may be coming behind me, or, like I said, that may not have this technical background and they're looking to want to jump into the cloud. So I hope you find my videos informational. If you do, feel free to hit the subscribe button and like my videos. If not, you can dislike them, leave a comment as well. I would really appreciate the feedback. So, but with that being said, I hope you enjoy my channel. Thank you for watching.